Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. I'm going to model this complex shape in just 3 minutes. Like this video and subscribe if you are new, and watch till the end. Draw 2 circles and move the smaller circle vertically. Next, draw a polyline and then use a fillet curve to smooth the corner. After that, use the Revolve command to create a surface, or SubD, by revolving a profile curve that defines the surface shape around an axis. Use the mirror command to copy. By using the split command, cut the circle in half. Then by sweep 2 rails, fill the gap between edges. Use split again, then revolve to model the top of the shape. Join all parts of the shape and then mirror it. After that, rotate the half part by 90 degrees. After joining all parts, use Quad Remesh. Notice, turn on Convert to SubD. I hope this helped you learn something new in Rhino. If you enjoyed it, just give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Mr. Rhino 3D. Thanks for watching.